In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update apps on Windows 11. Keeping your applications up to date is crucial for security and performance. Let's get started. First, we need to open the Start menu. To do this, simply click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. You can also press the Windows key on your keyboard. Once the Start menu is open, you will see a variety of apps and settings. This is your gateway to accessing different features of Windows 11. Opening the Start menu is essential because it helps you navigate to the Microsoft Store, where you can manage your app updates easily. Next up, we will open the Microsoft Store. You can find it in the Start menu, usually represented by a shopping bag icon with the Windows logo. Click on this icon to launch the Microsoft Store. Once the store is open, you will see a clean interface filled with apps, games, and more. This step is important because the Microsoft Store is where you will find all your installed applications and manage their updates efficiently. Now, look for the Get Updates button. This button is typically located at the top right corner of the Microsoft Store window. Click on this button to initiate the update process. When you click Get Updates, the store will start checking for any available updates for your installed apps. This is a key action, as it ensures that your applications are running the latest versions with all the latest features and security patches. Depending on your settings and storage, it should directly update the applications with updates after this. If updates are available, you will see a progress indicator as the apps download and install. This automatic updating process saves you time and keeps your applications functioning smoothly. It's a great way to ensure you're always using the best versions of your software. After the updates are complete, you may receive a notification confirming that your apps have been updated. Take a moment to review these notifications. This confirmation helps you verify that the process was successful and that your applications are now up to date. Remember that keeping your apps updated not only enhances performance but also helps in protecting your device from vulnerabilities. In summary, updating apps on Windows 11 is a straightforward process. Start by opening the Start menu, then launch the Microsoft Store. From there, click the Get Updates button, and depending on your settings and storage, your apps will update automatically. By following these steps, you are ensuring that your applications are secure and functioning optimally. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you keep your Windows 11 apps up to date.